how do you, so you've got some different size markets there. How do you determine what market you want to pick next?
There's not a whole lot of rhyme or reason to it. I mean, people asking, I actually get that question all the time. And for the most part, we look for suburban areas. But it doesn't matter where you go, people have junks. That's the one beauty about what we do. Is just like everybody has it. And
Right.
so the need is literally everywhere. You know, you definitely want to go somewhere where there's more people. The population can matter because then there's more work. I look for similar competition and things like that, because if you look up a certain city and you're thinking this would be a good place for us to go and there's no competition, it's kind of, it should draw some red flags, because it's, why is there no market here? So sometimes you want to go where there's at least a little bit of a market, some competition, but yeah, mostly population and suburban franchise or suburban size. And a big part of it too is like, because a lot of my managers that open up, they're moving from where they live, and so I want them to go where they want to go. So a lot of times I let them pick it. That's Dallas is kind of off the wall from the other ones, and that's because that's where that guy wanted to go. I mean, that's he had been a manager in Tampa for a while, and he wanted a bigger city, he wanted another opportunity, and I said any city you want, and he picked Dallas, Texas.
A hell of an opportunity.
Yeah.
I mean, that could definitely turn into your biggest location.
Oh yeah. It's the fastest growing so far.
Awesome.